afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Data started early today with ADP payrolls coming in a little light, but tomorrow is the non-farm payroll. That's the official number. Job creation is less important these days. It's all about wage growth. So look for that number tomorrow coming from non-farm payroll, 7:30 a.m. Central Time. ISM non-manufacturing is what we watch very closely. That's a big number for us, and we think it's very important to gauge on the economy. Beat expectations. ISM manufacturing earlier in the week also beat expectations. So those are good numbers. Now, the dollar index, it did pair early losses. It's holding right around unchanged despite that ISM non-manufacturing read. Equity markets, the S&P is under pressure. The NASDAQ taking a big hit again. But let's focus on this S&P. Coming close to our major three-star support. We have that in the Morning Express. Now that gap number from about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, that gap open on Sunday night, came in right around 28.76. This was our major three-star support earlier in the week. We reduced that coming into yesterday, but we did say you can buy the first test. That worked, but we expected this number to be taken out. See a little more pressure here. Ultimately, we're welcoming lower price action into a major three-star support. We actually have another layer of major three-star support just below there too. So we're welcoming this weakness ahead of non-farm payroll tomorrow. If wage growth comes in light and we don't see a big escalation between U.S. and China trade tensions, you know what that means. It's a buy signal. So look out for that. Give us a call here at the trade desk. We're going to be watching for that, and we can help you talk through it if you're watching things and trading that. Moving on to crude oil, it's under pressure below major three-star support, trading below 68 bucks. The headline crude inventory number was a big draw, over 4 million barrels. But that headline didn't matter when it's offset by distillates and gasoline, both combining to actually be a bigger build than what the overall expectation number was. On top of that, estimated production in lower 48 states added about 100,000 barrels per day. Now this is an estimated number, but it didn't help the tape ultimately. So we're seeing crude, some pressure on it. This really, again, we talked about in the Morning Express, you don't want to see 68 get taken out. Really neutralizes anything, any potential here against major three-star support. So we're watching for more. Now lastly, touching on gold, it did fail against key resistance, 12.11, 12.14 area. Some good strength overnight and into this morning, but it's a little disappointing. We want to see this thing close above a trendline area, which is building a bit of a flag-like pattern. You have to see this close above about 12.07. Support 12.04, 12.07 area. You don't want to see it close below that. It'd be a really big disappointment on the session. But again, non-farm payroll tomorrow is going to move the dollar. It's going to move gold. So watch out for that and plan your risk accordingly. Now, if you've been in touch with our trade desk, you know we've been buying this slow move here in bonds lower. We like buying this dip in bonds, starting to see a little strength back up. We got some resistance right above 144. We're watching for that. Again, give our trade desk a call. We're doing things in the bonds, doing things across the board. We're here to help you manage risk and give you ideas or bounce ideas off of us. So 312-278-0500. Give us a shout. Our email info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.